Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Microsoft Teams status is stuck on away. So let's get started. So the first way is that you can simply click on your profile icon and then you're going to click on your status and you can simply click on available over here. And once you do so, you can see that now available is there and away has been gone. You can also clear the inactivity. You can go over here, click on your status and you can click on reset status and it will reset your status to your current status. So Teams basically choose away when your PC is idle. So you can simply move your mouse or type something or open a document or chat and then it won't show away again. You can also go to your profile over here, go to status, and you can see that there are numerous options. So you can click on the set status message. You can type any status down, and then you can also select when you wish the status to be removed and you can customize it completely. Also, you can prevent your PC from going to sleep by going to your battery and power, and you can set it to sleep never or a bit longer time. If it's still stuck, then you can sign out and sign in again or update Teams to the latest version, and also try clearing your system's cache. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.